Okay, can you take the video?
No, it's okay.
Yes, you can say what you want.
So we're here as the Peace Marathon people. We're helping people register for the Peace Marathon. So there's a QR code in my back, as you can see it. There's a QR code in my back. So when you go to that QR code, that's where you find the form for filling for the Peace Marathon.
Hey,
Yeah.
Actually, we want to do it here.
To go to the Peace Marathon?
Yes.
So do you have your phone?
Yes, I have my phone.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me get that for you.
Yes, how we can join it?
Okay. So you go here. And then you can scan the QR code in my back. Okay, you get it now? Then choose what you're going to join. The 42. You get the 42.
No, we don't know. You can show it here in the screen, this camera.
Yeah. So there are three different marathons. There's the 42 kilometers. It's a full marathon, and there is the half marathon, 21 kilometers.
Okay.
And then there is the popular one that every person goes to, the 10 kilometer one.
Okay, that's nice. So which one we are going to join?
Maybe that's the short one.
10 or 21. Let's push this time. Push your limits. 12-15 तो गरिरहेको हुन्छ. Let's do 21.
21? Yeah. As men, you should go for 21. Yeah.
What will be the timing?
So yes, when you select here, and then you fill out the form. Then so this is you put in your email. The date of birth, everything. You put in your one thing. So just go and set up. Send the QR code.
Extra large for me. Which one is this one?
Mine is
Medium. No.
Mine is medium.
Here is medium and you are telling me mine is extra large.
It's extra large. Look like it's a big man. You look like a big man.
What is the price? How much is the price?
So let me check into that for you.
Okay. We'll do the registration as per our convenience, but we just want to know how much is the price. गर्ने हैन त दाइ? 21K.
Do you have any Rwandan passport or we have card?
We have work permit.
Work permit? Yeah. So if you have a work permit, this card we have. Oh, that's good. That's Rwandan ID. So if you have a Rwandan permit, that's 20,000.
20.
Roughly $15. 15 plus.
We know the conversion rate for that.
It's okay. How much for local then? For locals, 20 also. Locals. We're locals, yeah? Yeah. Locals. Yeah. Of course.